Hey guys, what's going on? So check out what I just designed. This right here is an origami apple, and yeah, and it doesn't really look like an apple, but watch this. When you push right here, the stem comes up, and now it looks like an apple. See, isn't that cool? And again, you just hide it like this, and you can tell someone, or you can push it like that, and the stem comes up just like that. And yeah, and it's a really nice fidget toy. And I'm going to show you how to fold it. Alright, here goes. So, this model I used a 6-inch square of kami, and that's what I'm going to use for this tutorial. And I'm going to use green because it's easier to see than red. So, let's begin right side up, and let's fold in half. Oh man, those crickets are chirping. Yep, I got crickets in here. And unfold, and fold in half this way. And unfold, and fold the 4 corners to the middle. And by the way, you can use a sheet of printer paper cut square also. I forgot to say that. Okay, and now, by holding the layers down, fold this edge to the diagonal. Alright, and repeat on this side. Fold this edge to here. Okay, and now fold this corner to the top. Like that. Alright, now rotate like this. And now, let's look at it on this side, and there's a crease right here. Let's mountain fold on that crease. Just like that. And bring everything back down. Just like that. And here's what it looks like. Okay, so now, rotate like this, and now we're going to fold this up. How much? Well, we're just shortening out the stem a little bit, because when it's like this, it's kind of too long. So we're just shortening it, and this is to taste. Just maybe about like that's good. Crease that sharply. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna narrow the stem out because it's way too thick. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a couple swivel folds. So take this edge and fold it to the middle, like this. Alright, and then on here, we're going to squash, and we're going to make the squash originate at this point. Like that, and flatten everything. Just like that. And that's what it looks like. Okay, and repeat on this side. Fold this edge to here. Like that, and on here, let's swivel fold it, or squash fold it, making it originate at this point. Just like that. And here is our stem, and that's what it looks like. So this is what's gonna disappear and appear. Okay, so now let's go ahead and work on the action. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this stem, and we're gonna fold it. Let me find a pointer real quick. Yeah, all my pointer tools are like put away, so I'm just gonna use this golf tee. So we're gonna fold it up right over this edge and this edge. Like this. So just fold it like that, and on that edge too. Just like that. And now let's mountain fold in half, the stem in half like this. And then now let's go ahead and close the card up. Pull the model up. It's actually like a pop-up card. See? Just close it up, just like that. Alright, so here's what the stem looks like when it's hidden. So here's the stem, and you just tell someone, or just push right here, and it comes up just like that. It's like a magic trick also. See? Just like that. Isn't that cool? Just like that. But we're not done. We need to make it look like an apple, so what we're going to do is we're going to turn over, and we're just going to shape it. So fold this corner up It's to taste, just maybe about like that. Alright, increase sharply. And now just fold these corners in to taste, however you want. And this one I'll fold out like that. All of this is to taste. Make it look like an apple, however you want. Just like that. Okay, so here it looks more like an apple, and let's actually round it off even more. You can do this if you want, but I'm gonna round it off more. So just fold these corners in to taste. You don't need to do this if you don't want to. Like this is good. So if you like that, then you're done. But I'm gonna round it off more, like that. I think it looks better when it's super round. Just shape it like however you want, like however you can. Make it look like an apple in your way. And then these two corners also. Okay, and we are done. So here's the apple, and to make it work, you just, to hide the stem, just fold it in half, like partially fold it in half like that, just enough so that the stem goes down. See, just like that. Now the stem is hidden. If you look at it at this angle, and if you push right here really fast, it instantly comes up just like that. Isn't that cool? Again, and yeah, it's a really nice fidget toy. It's actually a lot like the bell, which I taught right here, but it's an apple. See, just like that. An apple fidget toy. Maybe I'll name it that. So yeah, there it is, and here's what it looks like. Here's what's going on this side. See, just like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Here's the one I showed in the intro. The one from Origami. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding this. Hope we're able to. And hope you find it interesting. And make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. Alright, bye bye.